Welcome to everyone. Today we are going to see about clipper. The clipper, there are two types. One is a positive clipper and other one is a negative clipper, and we are going to see the operation of positive clipper. So this is the diagram of positive clipper, Opamp positive clipper, which is connected with a diode in the output, and the input is Vin given to non-inverting pin, and the inverting pin is feedback with the output, and the load resistance is connected with the positive supply, which will act as a reference voltage to the inverting pin. So let's see how it is going to act as a positive clipper. So now you assume that the reference voltage is a 1 volt. Reference voltage is 1 volt, is fed back to inverting pin 1 volt. So I am giving the input voltage of 3 volt. Now check what will happen in the output. So we know that the output will be the V plus. Difference between the two input will be amplified in the operational amplifier, V plus minus V minus. This is what we will get in the output. So here it is V plus is 3 volt minus of reference voltage that is given to the inverting pin, that is 1 volt. So we will get 2 volt. So 2 volt, we will get plus 2 volt in the output side. So we know that diode operation. So this is the diode. This is the diode, anode and cathode. So if we give the positive supply to anode and negative to cathode, so it will get forward biased. Diode will be forward biased. So if we are giving negative supply to anode and positive supply to cathode, it will be reverse biased. That is, it will be open. It will be in open condition. So it will be short circuited. If it is forward biased, then it will be short circuited. So let's see in the diagram. So we have received positive voltage in the output side. So the diode will get reverse biased. It will be open. You won't get any output in the output side V0. V0 will be there won't be any output voltage in the V0. So that means, which means V in is greater than V reference. V0 is equal to 0. We won't get any output. So let's see the condition for V in less than V reference. So we are giving 3 volt supply. So reference voltage is 1 volt. Suppose I am considering 0.5 volt of positive peak and reference voltage is 1 volt. So we will get V plus minus V minus. So 0.5 minus 1, we will get minus 0.5. So in the output side we will get minus 0.5 voltage. So the diode will get forward biased. Now it will act as a short circuit. Then we will get the output in the output side. So let's see in diagrammatic representation how the clipper is working. So this is my input voltage. My input voltage V in. So this is my output V naught. So here I have given 3 volt input, so 3 volt, and the reference voltage is 1 volt. So we have seen that V in is greater than V reference, we won't get V naught, we will not get V naught. So if V in is less than V reference, we will get output V naught. So this portion is V in greater than V reference, so we won't get any output. So this portion V in less than V reference, so we will get the output so this is how we will get output. So here the positive portion of our input signal is clipped, and we have got the output like this. So this is the positive clipper with positive reference voltage. So let's see if negative reference voltage is given. Let's see what will happen. So if we give the negative reference voltage, consider I am giving minus 1 volt. So what will happen? So we know output will be V plus minus V minus. So if the input is positive and that is greater than the reference voltage, so 3 volt, I am giving considering maximum voltage 3 volt minus of minus 1 volt, I will be getting 4 volt. So if I am getting positive supply here, then it will be diode will be in off condition, it will be cut off, we won't get any output. So this is V in greater than V reference. Suppose V in less than V reference, let's see what will happen. Minus 0.9 volt, consider V in. So my reference voltage is minus 1 volt. So what will happen? Minus 1 volt. So we will get plus 0.1 volt. So it is a positive supply I am getting in the output side. So here also I won't get any output because my input is positive. So here also V in is greater than V reference. Now I am considering V in is 1.5 volt, minus 1.5 volt, and minus V reference is 1 volt, minus 1 volt. So now you will check, so the output will be minus 0.5 volt. Now I am getting negative voltage in the output side. So the diode will get forward biased. So the condition is suppose V in is greater than V reference, the diode will be off condition, I won't get any output, V naught is equal to 0. Suppose if I am giving V in less than V reference, at the time I will get output. So let's see in diagrammatic representation. 3 volt, V in input voltage. So reference voltage I have given minus 1 volt. So I will be getting output only in this region, because this region is alone V in is less than V reference. V in is less than V reference. So my output wave will be like this, minus 1 volt reference voltage. So my output voltage will be like this. So this is a positive clipper with negative reference voltage. So the all my this portion of input signal is clipped. I have got only this portion of input signal. So in case of negative clipper, so the same operation here, the diode will be connected in flipped position. So diode will be connected like this in the output side. Then the same circuit will act as a negative clipper. So negative clipper, it clips the negative portion of our input signal. So this is the operation of a positive clipper and negative clipper. So we will see in the next class about the clamper, positive clamper and negative clamper. Thank you.